N8N versus Relevance AI. Which one is the best? Here's a comparison of N8N and Relevance AI to help you determine which might be the best for your needs. N8N. Focus. Open source workflow automation platform that emphasizes flexibility and extensive integration capabilities between various applications and services through a visual, node-based interface. Strengths. Open source and self-hostable. Provides complete control over your data and infrastructure. The community version is free. Highly flexible. Enables the creation of intricate workflows with custom logic and the ability to execute JavaScript code within nodes. Broad integrations. Supports a vast number of native connectors and allows for connection to virtually any API via HTTP requests and webhooks. Fair pricing, cloud. Charges based on workflow executions, which can be cost-effective for complex automations. Weaknesses. Steeper learning curve. Can be more challenging for users without a technical background due to its advanced features and interface. Setup complexity. Self-hosting requires technical expertise for setting up and managing self-hosted instances. AI capabilities. While it can integrate with AI tools like OpenAI, it doesn't have built-in AI agent functionalities in the same way as Relevance AI. Relevance AI. Focus. AI-powered automation platform specifically designed for building and managing AI agents. It emphasizes a no-code/low-code approach, making it accessible to non-technical users. Strengths. No-code AI agent builder. Simplifies the process of creating and deploying AI agents for various business tasks without requiring coding knowledge. AI workforce management. Facilitates the creation of teams of AI agents that can work autonomously or collaboratively. Industry-specific solutions. Offers pre-built AI agents and templates tailored for specific business functions like sales, marketing, and customer support. Integration with business tools. Seamlessly connects with popular CRM, marketing, and data platforms. AI-powered intelligence. Leverages machine learning for intelligent process automation, predictive insights, and workflow optimization. Weaknesses. Potentially higher pricing. Advanced features and scaling can become expensive. Learning curve. AI concepts while no code. Understanding how to effectively design, train, and manage AI agents requires some learning about AI concepts. Reporting limitations. Some users have noted limitations in its reporting and analytics features. Less emphasis on general workflow automation, primarily focused on AI agents rather than broad application integration in the same vein as N8N. Which one is the best? The best platform is subjective and depends entirely on your specific needs and technical expertise. Choose N8N if you need a flexible, open-source platform for general workflow automation with extensive integration capabilities, and your team has the technical expertise to handle its complexity. It's also a good option if you prioritize control over your data through self-hosting and potentially more cost-effective pricing for intricate workflows. Choose Relevance AI if your primary goal is to build and deploy AI agents without extensive coding, you are interested in industry-specific AI solutions, and you want AI-powered intelligence deeply integrated into your automation processes. It's better suited for teams where non-technical users need to create and manage AI-driven automations quickly and easily. In essence, N8N is a powerful and versatile general-purpose automation tool, while Relevance AI is a more specialized platform centered around the creation and management of AI agents. Consider your team's technical skills, your primary automation goals, general workflows versus AI agents, and your budget when making your decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.